Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the second part of my body, our home, part 2. Nkuanya, eyebrow, ihu, face, ire, tongue, agba, jaw. Nkuanya, eyebrows, ihu, face, ire, tongue, agba, jaw. Hope you can pronounce them the way I'm pronouncing them. Anyị, gum, eze, teeth, egbuligbu ọnụ, lips. Anyị, gum, eze, teeth, egbuligbu ọnụ, lips. Egbirigbi ọnụ, egbirigbi ọnụ. Ara, breast. Both boys and girls' breasts are called breasts. Akụkụ, side. Ike, buttocks. Otubo, navel. Akụkụ, your side is your akụkụ. Your buttocks is called ike. Mbọ aka, fingernails. Mbọ ụkwụ, toe nails.